Red Room Women's Horror Story. The hallway, a quiet women's hostel at night. A mysterious red door appears at the end of the hallway. No one knows where it came from. The five women notice the door. They joke, dare each other, but feel strangely drawn to it. The door handle is warm to the touch. Shared nightmare that night. All five women dream of the same room. Red walls, heavy breathing, whispers revealing their secrets. They wake up terrified. Entering the room, they open the red door together. Inside, pulsing red walls, mirrors everywhere, air smelling of iron. The door slams shut behind them. Each mirror shows a woman's hidden trauma and fear. Reflections begin to move on their own. Taking one by one, the mirrors pull the women inside. Their screams fade into silence. Aftermath morning arrives. The red door is gone. 5 new mirrors hang in the hostel, quiet, waiting.